Hi sisters, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the first ever video of 2025. Finally, the time has come to say goodbye to 2024 and to welcome 2025. I wish you all a happy new year, and for today's video, I will be doing a complete glow up. To welcome the new year, to be honest, New Year was just another reason I personally wanted to have this glow up because after crying for straight 2 days, I wanted to feel good, I wanted to get my energy back to my life. And what's even a fight with your best friend if you will not have a glow up? So I would like to dedicate this video to my best friend and girl. If you're watching me, then thank you. So let's get back to the video. In today's video, you will see me doing the And if this is the first time that you have come to my channel, then hi, my name is Aisha. I create content on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and on that note, let's get started. The first thing I would like to start is by waxing, and this is the second time I am doing the waxing at home because to be honest it is painful and I am not a waxing girl. I prefer razor over waxing. So yes, I will be doing the waxing because hair growth इसमें थोड़ी late होती है. That's the reason I'm going with the waxing for now. Okay, now that you guys saw me waxing my hands, I also waxed my armpits and also the legs because as I mentioned, इसमें hair growth थोड़ी late होती है, so I wanted to go with the waxing. And the also reason I don't prefer waxing at home because उसमें थोड़ा messy हो जाता है and I don't like that. Now let's move on to the second thing, which is the detoxing juice. This is one of the healthy recipe for the skin and for your health as well. जैसे कि मैंने decide किया था I'm going to start with the healthy recipe, so I started drinking this detoxing juice. The first step which I have taken from past a week, I'm drinking this and it is working for me, which I wanted to share with you all as well. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys how I make my detoxing juice, which is really good for the health. Watch me making the juice and yeah, be right back. Okay, so that was my detoxing juice, and now we shall move on to the next thing which I have started from last month of December. And yes, I can say it as my new addiction because I am really addicted to go to the gym and do my workout. I personally feel you need to take that 1 hour for yourself to do the workout, regardless of going to the gym or doing the home workout or doing some yoga, which is beneficial. You need to start doing a workout because it is really important not only for your body but your mental health as well. And to be honest, I'm really happy and proud of myself that I have decided to go to the gym every day. And personally, I'm keeping that an hour for myself just to make sure I am going to the gym on daily basis. Okay, so that was the workout, and now we shall move on to the next very important segment of today's video is the skincare routine. And for my skincare routine, I would like to keep it really simple. And speaking about simple, I would like to start with the simple cleanser. I'm gonna quickly wash my face by using this cleanser and then shave my face by using the razor. And post shaving your face, you should never forget to wash your face with a gentle cleanser or a cleansing milk for that matter. I'm using cleansing milk and I'm gonna quickly wash my face. Now it's time for the hair. I am going to comb my hair by using the wooden comb, which is really good for the blood circulation. After brushing my hair, I will be moving on to the next step, which is to oil my hair. And I am using castor oil and coconut oil, which is really good for the hair growth. You can try this at home, it actually works. Styling my hair, I prefer going with the face mask, and for today I will be using the foxtail face mask, which is a really good face mask, I would say. You can definitely get your hands on this product. Okay, that was the skincare routine. Now the last segment of today's video is the haircut, and this is a haircut which I got it done today. So watch me getting a haircut done. Okay, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys will like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye bye.